Video, I'm going to teach you how to share, copy, and paste a link anywhere. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a link from almost any app or website and move it to a message, email, document, or note with confidence. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way so you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the page, post, video, or file you want to share. Look for the share option. On many phones, this looks like an arrow pointing up or out, or it may appear as a square with an arrow. In some apps, it sits behind an icon with 3 dots or a menu labeled Share. On desktop websites, you might see a share button near the title or under a post. The goal here is the same everywhere. Bring up the system or app sharing panel so you can access the link. If the content is private or restricted, be mindful that sharing might require the recipient to have permission to view it. When the sharing panel appears, choose Copy Link. Some apps label this as Copy URL, Get Link, or Copy. Tapping this tells your device to store the web address on your clipboard, ready to paste. Many apps show a brief confirmation like Link Copied. If you don't see a message, don't worry, most still copy it instantly. A quick tip: some services provide shortened links. These are fine to share, but if you prefer the full address, look for an option that says Copy Full Link or open the item in your browser and use the browser's Copy Link feature. Now paste the link wherever you need it. Click or tap into a message, email, document, or chat, then paste. On Windows, press Ctrl+V on a Mac, press Command+V on phones and tablets. Tap and hold in the text field and choose Paste. Make sure the link looks complete, no stray spaces at the beginning or end, and press Send or Save. If you're adding it to a document, consider placing it on its own line for clarity. If the link includes extra tracking text after a question mark, you can delete that portion to keep it cleaner, as long as the main address stays intact. And remember, if the original content requires sign-in or permission, the recipient will need access to open it. That's it. Click Share, click Copy Link, and paste anywhere. Simple, fast, and reliable.